There are people in this country whose entire job is to make U.S. manufacturing stronger. Industry associations, MEP centers, economic development agencies, independent consultants. They do the work that doesn't make headlines. But without them, American manufacturing doesn't stand. And for too long, they've been doing that work without the infrastructure to match their mission. Spreadsheets where platforms should be. Manual reports where intelligence should be. Fragmented data where clarity should be. We built Vessel for them. 350+ expert-built assessments deployed in one click. AI-guided assessment experiences that improve data quality from the start. Executive reports generated, not assembled. AI intelligence that generates recommendations based on your scores. And ecosystem intelligence that shows you the full picture across every manufacturer you serve, and more. One platform, built for the organizations that keep American manufacturing stronger. The infrastructure, finally built for the mission.